Hi guys, welcome to our step-by-step guidance on how to use Wavex Instant Ceramic Spray Coating on your car. In this video, we will guide you the correct method of using this product. So you have to follow my 4 points very carefully while using or before using this product. Point number 1, you have to apply this product section by section. Never apply all over the surface at once. Point number 2, the surface of the car should be cool to touch. Never apply this product on a heated bonnet or in a direct sunlight. Point number 3, the surface of the car should be neat and clean. There should not be any contamination or scratches present there. If they are present, it is advised to use clay bars, polishing compounds to get perfect glossy results. Point number 4, as you have to buff this coating while applying, so you always need clean, dry and fresh microfiber towel. Let's start the actual application process. First and always shake the product. Now instead of spraying on a panel, we will spray on a grey microfiber applicator pad. Now we will apply first in a vertical direction, like this. Now we will apply in a horizontal direction. Now take a microfiber cloth and simply buff it. As you can see, it is completely dried. Now we'll move to another section. Just spray over it. Horizontal, vertical. Again buffing. Now let me show you the extreme hydrophobic effect of this product.